Hey, what's up? My name is Ben Haberman, local entrepreneur. I own Blue Homes Real Estate. I've owned the company for a few years now. My favorite aspect of my company is learning something new in real estate every day. Real estate is a real estate transaction is a very complex process, and learning something every day is extremely valuable. I've lived in Cape May County my entire life, with the exception of the 4 years I was in college. I attended University of Tampa, Florida. Graduated in 2005 with a bachelor's in business management. My favorite part of South Jersey is the seasonality. The summers are busy. The fall, spring, winter slows down, it's quiet. Something we take for granted sometimes, but it's nice. What's my advice during these difficult times? Is turn off the electronics. Focus on, I know it's hard to turn them off for the whole day, but limit yourself. The news is nothing but negativity. They capitalize on fear, and everything they put out is to scare us, because they know fear attracts viewers and readers. So limit yourself to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TV as much as possible. Oh, and study real estate more. Go on biggerpockets.com, listen to Bigger Pockets podcast. If you haven't read Rich Dad yet, read Rich Dad. If you've already read Rich Dad, read it again. If I could take a week vacation anywhere, a Royal Caribbean cruise in the Eastern Caribbean. Cruising is great for me because I could disconnect, literally, no cell phone service. Crucial. All I really need is 1 week out of the year to totally disconnect. It's huge for me.